low-lying areas have been reported. Rainfall rates around 1 inch per hour are expected to continue through early afternoon. Locations in the Chattanooga area will be especially vulnerable to flooding, particularly the South Chickamauga Creek. People within the flood-prone area should pay close attention to rising water levels and be prepared to move to higher ground. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and flooding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other more drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Zero-foot flooding. Others in this large forest should be delayed to report to the National Weather Service forecast office. The following is a flood bulletin for the following counties: Anderson, 1, Cleveland, Jefferson, Knox, Valley, Remnants, Peggy, Rainfall, The National Weather Service in Orange now has issued an urban and small stream flood advisory for Anderson County, this includes the city of Oak Ridge, Clinton, West County, Glacier County, Jefferson County, Knox County, this includes the city of Knoxville, Loudoun County, this includes the city of Loudoun, Liquor City, extreme northern Midland County, northern Baker County, Monroe County, this includes the city of Sweetwater, Lake County, Rowan County, this includes the city of Rockwood, Kingston, Union County, this includes the city of Maysville. Until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday at 10:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time moderate to occasionally heavy rain. Continues to move north-northeast across the Tennessee Valley. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen in the Knoxville area this morning, and an additional 2 to 4 inches can be expected through the afternoon. Urban locations in Knoxville will be especially vulnerable to flooding. If you live in a flood-prone area, pay close attention to rising water levels and be prepared to move to higher ground. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels of small creeks and streams, and flooding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other more drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Helping with live scores for this studio laser report to the National Weather Service forecast office.